What up, what up? Winbush here, and today I'm excited to show you guys how we can take the marketplace items into Unreal Engine 5 so that we can start using them in there. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So first things first, you're going to need Unreal Engine 4 to be able to merge this into Unreal Engine 5. And so I have a new project started up with Unreal Engine 4. And so from here, I'm actually going to go back to the Epic Games launcher and let's go over to the marketplace. So the reason I'm coming here is because we're going to use one of the free items for the month. And so last tutorial, I actually used the stylized forest. So let's say maybe we could use the underground subway. And I'm recording this in June of 2021. And these are the free items that are currently available. And so I'm just going to click add the project. And then I'm going to find the project that I made in Unreal Engine 4, which I think I used the default for my project. So I'm going to click on this and then add the project. And then this is about 1.6 gigs. So I'm gonna give this a minute to download. And once it's done downloading, it should be a part of our Unreal Engine 4 project now. So I'm gonna close out the tab here. And then down here in my Unreal Engine 4 project, I have underground here, and this is what downloaded from the marketplace. So if I double click on it, you can see we have everything in here. We have the maps, we have the blueprints, everything that came with the item on the marketplace. And then from here, you're going to want to make sure that you have Unreal Engine 5 already opened up with a project already built, because we're going to take this content from here and merge it into our Unreal Engine 5 project. And if you look here, I already have an Unreal Engine 5 project already opened up. I have it named UE5_tutorial. So I'm going to go back over to Unreal Engine 4. I'm going to right click on this folder because I want to bring the entire folder over. So right click and then come over here to migrate. So I'm going to click on migrate. And then it's going to give us an asset report here. And so it has everything by default check marked. If there's anything you don't want to take over, you can always uncheck mark it, but I'm going to bring all the content over. So I'm going to click OK. And then it's going to bring up this window here in which we want to find our folder that we made our Unreal Engine 5 project in. And so I'm going to go to my M.2 drive and I'm going to look for Unreal Engine 5_tutorial. So this is the Unreal Engine 5 project that I previously created. So I'm going to double click on this. And then we want to make sure that we select the content folder and double click on this. And then you'll see collections and developers. We don't want to click anything else here. We want to click on select folder, and then it's going to copy all the files over. And then down the bottom right, you should see that it copied all the files over. It says some content could not be copied, but most were successful. So I'm actually going to close this down, and I'm in Unreal Engine 5 right now. I'm going to hold down Control, hit the space bar, and it's going to bring up our content browser. And as you can see now, we have that underground folder in here. So if I double click on this, and then let's go over to maps, and let's see, maybe we do the main level here just to show you guys that everything is going to be working in Unreal Engine 5. And here we are. So everything is loading into the scene right here. It's going to take a minute for all the textures to load in and everything. But this is all the content that we have from that marketplace item. It's all brought into Unreal Engine 5 here. So hopefully this helped you guys out. Just again, to reiterate, you're going to make a project inside of Unreal Engine 4, bring all your content into there, and then from there, you're going to merge it into your project in Unreal Engine 5. So if this did help you out, make sure you leave me a comment down below. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Leave me a big thumbs up if this helped you out. And until next time, stay fresh, keep creating, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll see you soon. Take care. What up, what up? Winbush here.